Hello friends, now we will discuss some news about cricket dunia. Cricket news now we will discuss briefly. Okay, this news is that before saying this news, welcome all of you to our new video, news updates article explaining video. This is Mr. Daily Updates Reader, Mr. Tapu. RCB, this news article is that RCB versus EPW WPL 2026 prediction. Who will win Royal Challengers Bangalore versus UP Warriors मैच टुडे आरसीबी मतलब आरसीबी मीन्स रॉयल चैलेंज बेंगलुरु वर्सेस ईपीडब्ल्यू उत्तर प्रदेश वॉरियर्स. Okay, who will win this match today? Now we'll discuss this article. Okay, so friends, watch this video to last. Must be this video will impress you. RCB and EPW WPL prediction. Royal Challengers Bangalore RCBW are set to face EP Warriors EPW in fifth match of this Women Premier League WPL 2026. This match will be played on Monday, January 12 at the DRDY Patil Sports Academy in Nandhi, Mumbai. WPL 2026 match schedule: RCB versus EPW. Date Monday, January 12. Date 7:30 p.m. IST. Venue DY Patil Stadium, Navi, Mumbai. Captain RCB Smriti Mandhana. Captain EPW Uttar Pradesh Warriors Meg Lanning. RCB Royal Challenge Bangalore Smriti Mandhana. Captain EPW Meg Lanning. RCB versus EPW head to head. RCB and the EP Warriors have been met 6 times since the Women's Premier League began. Samiti Mandhana's side has come out on top in 3 those contests, while RCB and EPZ RCB and the EP Warriors have lost 6 times since the Women's Premier League began. Smriti Mandhana's side has come out on top in 3 Mandhana's side has come out on top in 3 of those contests, while the Warriors have claimed victory twice. The remaining encounter ended in a thrilling tie. RCB versus EPW IPL 2026 preview. Royal Challengers Bangalore will square up against EP Warriors in their next Women's Premier League 2026 clash scheduled for Monday, January 12 in Navi, Mumbai. Smriti Mandhana's RCB side will look to carry forward for the momentum for their opening match triumphs, while Meg Lanning's Warriors aim to bounce back after a narrow defeat. RCB entered the contest on a high after ending past defending champions Mumbai Indians in a nail-biting finish, chasing 155. That Bengaluru franchise held their nerves until the final delivery, with Nandini D. Clark sealing the win in style. The South display fast ripping through the MI lineup with figures of 4 by 26, later anchoring the chase with unbeaten 63 that turned the game in RCB's favor. EP Warriors, on the other hand, ended heartbreak in their first outing, taxed with overhauling a daunting 208-run target set by Gujarat Giants. The Warriors fought valiantly, ultimately fell short by 11 runs, finishing at 197 by 8. Four-way Litchfield was the standout performer for the learning side, showcasing exceptional stroke play during the explosive 78 of just 40 balls, keeping the chase alive until the final few overs. RCB versus EPW IPL 2026 prediction: who will win the Royal Challenge Bangalore versus EF Warriors today? Royal Challenge Bangalore head into the contest with confidence after a dramatic last ball win powered by Nandini De Klerk exceptional all-round performance. Their batting depth and momentum give them a single edge. If Warriors, despite their opening loss, showed strong intent in high-scoring chase with Fowey Litchfield in sublime touch. However, their bowling looked vulnerable under pressure, with form and balance landing the, their favor. RCB appear better placed to clinch this class through EPW. Fire over means an upset cannot be ruled out. Okay, Debian Bhattaraja Michael, source michael.com, and the reader is Mr. Tapu, the Delhi Updates reader. Thanks for watching. Thank you this article. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. If you like this cricket news update article reading, then you can subscribe and like and comment and describe your mind. How can this video impress you? You can describe in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath.